Hello everyone and welcome to RollerSkillz. My name is Danielle Lockwood and I'm a professional roller skater, creator and coach. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the angles of your feet and how magical they can be in the world of getting from A to B. Now, what do I mean by this? I mean that by simply either angling your feet outwards or inwards, it does the work for you, and I will prove it. Take your home base position for me, so it should look a little something like this. We have our feet underneath our hips, they should be pointing straight forwards. Our knees are bent and our focus is up. You can have your arms out in front of you or your hands on your hips to help with balance. Cool, so we're gonna be marching on the spot. That is all that is happening, and you're gonna make them super stompy. So you're gonna stamp on the spot, really flat feet, centralize the weight in your feet, and you are going to be pointing those toes straight forwards. Lovely. While you're doing this, I would also love it if you could think about a string attached to your knee and someone is picking up the string. So we're definitely lifting the feet off of the floor. Now, here's where the magic comes in. Do a few of the straightforward marches. Now, very, very slowly angle your feet outwards and be patient and look at what is happening. I didn't change a thing apart from the angle of my feet. I didn't put pressure into the floor. I didn't push. I definitely didn't step forwards like this or push away. I simply changed the angle of my feet. And that is one of the most amazing things when it comes to skating. We can also do exactly the same backwards. So again, you're gonna stamp on the spot, toes straight forwards. When you are ready, you're gonna angle your toes inwards, inverting those legs. Again, be patient and wait for the magic to happen. Of course, be very wary of your surroundings, especially when going backwards, but try it for yourself. And I hope that this has helped you in some sort of way when it comes to A to B skating. So it's really important that we lay ourselves a really nice, strong, technical, foundational base, and we can build up from there. And this is one of the best ways to do it, just by angling your feet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something and it has helped in some small way. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe and share with your friends. If you would like further, more in-depth, full online classes and tutorials, be sure to check out my Patreon. I will link it down below. Have an amazing week, keep skating, and I will see you on the next one.